MKG online study e-learning platform. In this video, we will learn how to do BCD arithmetic. In my previous video, I have already discussed what are BCD codes, that is binary coded decimal codes. So BCD arithmetic, binary addition and subtraction are not applied to entire 8421 code but to individual 4 bits code. A disadvantage of 8421 code is that the rules of binary addition and subtraction do not apply to entire 8421 number but only to individual 4-bit groups. The BCD addition is therefore performed by individually adding the corresponding digits of the decimal numbers expressed in 4-bit binary groups starting from LSB. During addition, if carry out from one group to the next group or illegal code generates, then 6 or 0110 is added to the sum term of that group and resulting carry is added to the next group. This is done to skip 6 illegal states. As we know that BCD exists from 0 to 9 only, but 4-bit number exists from 0 to 15. So from 10 to 15 we are having illegal states. When we are performing addition, we have to skip these 6 states, that is from 10 to 15. Now let us take one example. We have to perform decimal addition of 25 and 13 in 8421 code. So 25 plus 13 will be 38. This we have to do in BCD, so or 8421 code. So 2 we will write BCD code of 2, that is 0 0 1 0, and for 5 0 1 0 1. Next we will write BCD code for 1 0 0 0 1, and for 3 0 0 1 1. You can say 25 in BCD. Here we will say 13 in BCD. Next we are going to add this. One plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is again 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1 again. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1 triple 0 we are getting. Here 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, then 0, then 0. So no carry indicates that no illegal codes. Here we are not having carry in this group. Let us call it as first group. Similarly, we are not having carry in this second group also. So no carry No carry means no illegal goods. So this is the correct sum. Let us take one more example. Decimal addition of 679.6 plus 536.8. We have to do this in 8421 or BCD count. 679.6 536.8. So 6 plus 8 is 14, carry 1, then 16, carry 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 3 is, so actually 7 plus 3 carry 1, then 6 plus 5 is 12. So here 1 will come. Okay, so 1216.4. Okay. Next, this we will do in BCD format. So I will write BCD of 6, 0, 1, 1, 0. BCD of 7, 0, 111. BCD of 9. Remember that we have to give space between two digits. 1, 0, 0, 1. Then point 0, 1, 1, 0. Next 5, 0, 1, 0, 1. And next 3, 0, 0, 1, then 6, 0, 1, 0, then 8, 1, 0, 0, 0. So this is 679 in BCD, 0.6 in BCD. This is 536.8 in BCD. Next we are going to add this. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0, 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. And 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, and plus 1 is 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, and 1, 0 plus 0 is 1, 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So in this we can say there is no carry, but as you can see all groups are having illegal codes because they are greater than 9. So to make legal we have to add 6 in each group. So plus 0, 1, 1, 0. Plus we are adding individual 6 to each group. 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, so that a legal code can be produced. We can say all are illegal codes. Add 6 to each group, and if carry generate, then we can propagate that carry. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 0, and 1 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 0, 1 0 plus 0 is 0. That propagate this carry to other group. So 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 0, 1 0 plus 1 is 1 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 0, 1 0 plus 1 is 1 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 0. Again propagate this carry here. So this will be 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, and carry here. So 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, triple 1 is 1 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. This is our carry. So we can write this corrected sum in decimal format. So this will be 4, and this is here point. So 0.4. This is 6. This is 1. This is 2 and 1. This one. Or we can append 0 in front of this. So this. So we are getting answer 121.6.4, same as normal addition. So this is how we do BCD addition. Thanks for watching this video.